Looking for the best cordless hedge trimmers? These lightweight battery-powered tools make trimming hedges and shrubs effortless, giving you freedom of movement without the hassle of cords. Perfect for maintaining your garden with ease and precision. Starting at number 1, BLACK+DECKER Hedge Trimmer. The BLACK+DECKER 40V Max hedge trimmer is a powerful cordless trimmer ideal for maintaining hedges, shrubs, and bushes without the hassle of extension cords. It features a 40V Max lithium-ion battery that delivers strong cutting performance and generous runtime on a single charge. The 24-inch dual-action blades cut branches up to 3/4 inch thick efficiently with reduced vibration, while the wraparound front handle and soft grip trigger ensure comfort and control in both vertical and horizontal trimming. A battery charge indicator helps you keep track of remaining power, and the included battery and charger make it ready to use right out of the box. Number 2, WORX WG Hedge Trimmer. The WORX WG61 is a lightweight and versatile cordless hedge trimmer powered by a 20V PowerShare lithium-ion battery, giving you freedom of movement without cords. It features 22-inch dual-action blades that cut branches up to 3/4 inch thick with reduced vibration for smoother trimming. The ergonomic D-grip handle makes it easy to trim at any angle, while the included battery and charger mean it's ready to go right out of the box. Plus, the battery is compatible with over 70 other WORX PowerShare tools for expanded utility. Number 3, Greenworks 40V Hedge Trimmer. The Greenworks 40V24 cordless hedge trimmer delivers fade-free lithium-ion power for up to 60 minutes of runtime on a full charge, giving you cordless freedom for garden trimming tasks. It features 24-inch dual-action steel blades with a 1 cutting capacity for clean, professional-style cuts, while the ergonomic rotating rear handle and 3-sided wraparound auxiliary handle make it easy to trim at multiple angles with comfort and control. The cushioned overmold grip further enhances handling during long trimming sessions. Battery and charger are included, and the battery is part of Greenworks' 40V platform for use with other compatible tools. Number 4, Makita XHU2M1 Hedge Trimmer. The Makita XHU2M1 is a cordless battery-powered hedge trimmer that's part of Makita's popular 18V LXT system, known for wide tool compatibility and reliable performance. It features a 22S dual-action blade driven by a Makita-built motor that delivers strong cutting speed, making trimming hedges and shrubs quick and precise. With the included 18V LXT 4.0 battery, you can get up to about 2 hours of runtime on low settings, while the anti-vibration design and ergonomic build help reduce fatigue during extended use. Comfort-oriented features like a soft grip handle and lower noise level, powered 87 dBA, make yard work more enjoyable. Battery and charger are included in the kit. Number 5, SENIX X6 Hedge Trimmer. The SENIX X6 60V Max hedge trimmer delivers professional-level cordless cutting performance with a brushless motor that provides strong power and longer runtime compared to brushed motors. It features 26's laser-cut dual-action blades with up to 1 1/4 cutting capacity, easily handling thick branches and heavy foliage. The 180-degree rotating rear handle with 5 positions and wraparound front grip help you trim at various angles comfortably and with better control. Powered by a 60V Max lithium-ion battery with intelligent power management, this trimmer offers up to 60 minutes run time in eco mode on a 3A battery and includes the battery and charger in the kit.